Wow, so here, you know what happened? I just make it and it's just amazing. I taste it, it's beautiful. We have the honey in it. We have all of these natural stuff inside of it and it is fantastic. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you how to make it. So let's do this together right now. Pick up on yourself, you don't know the thing go. So let's do this together. Remember, it's right there also, okay? Yeah man, tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. A good vibes. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with you guys today. It is fantastic. I do love you so much and that's why I want to give you this recipe. I know you guys are going to love this because it's just an amazing, you know, I'm always giving you different kind of recipes, you know it. I give you some of the most beautiful recipe for you guys to make at home. I'm always have to give back something to you because guys, you love me so much and I love you too. And you know what I mean, I give you juice, I give you meat-free Monday and all different kind of healthy recipe for you to work with at home to look after yourself. Every night we do normally do a healthy tea recipe, so stay tuned in with this beautiful and an amazing healthy tea recipe we've been doing every other night. We do high blood pressure, you name it. So do not miss this one and just remember also we are here to fill some of the gap with you guys. So if you missed the videos, remember the video right there, you guys can watch and stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much for all of that beautiful love. And now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna deliver on an amazing recipe to you for you to make at home. So stay tuned in and let's do this together. 1 cup of hot water. Three medium-sized bay leaf into the water. Bay leaf is very powerful, guys, all right? And it's good for cold and it's also very good for flu and a lot of things. All right, we're going to put a few cloves into the water. We are going to put ginger into the water. We are going to put cucumber into it also. We're going to put celery into it also. Got some lime slices. We're going to put some lime into it. This is some turmeric peel. I'm gonna put turmeric into the water also. And then this is it, the rest. I'm just showing you exactly what I'm putting inside of it just now. So we're gonna make that boil for a few minutes. Excellent. So that looks delicious. And an amazing. All right. This is all of the ingredients into the water. All of the ingredients which we are using to make this beautiful cup of tea this evening. Now, the weather is very cold and to be honest with you, we need to make this beautiful cup of tea this evening because of the kind of weather which we are in at the moment. All right, yeah, all of that and an amazing, incredible recipe inside of it with the lime and everything. It is beautiful and very simple to make, and I will encourage you to give this a try at home. Okay, now I'm gonna turn off my cooker. And I plug it off. Lovely. So I'll just make it boil for a few minutes. I'm gonna take it off the heat because it is keep boiling. Lovely. Now, excellent. So as you can see, this is it right here. All right, before we go any further, just a quick update on my book. This is a book, From Poverty to Purpose. It's available on Amazon. All right, get yourself a copy of my brand new book right here, guys. Okay, beautiful one. Yeah. So that's the beautiful recipe which we are making right now, as you guys can see. This is fantastic and an amazing, guys, honestly, and I will encourage you to do the same thing at home. All right, lovely. Now we're going to put some organic honey inside of it. All right, so this is the honey which I'm going to be using inside of it. All right, lovely. So hope you guys will enjoy this an amazing, incredible recipe. So as you guys can see, this is the honey we are using inside of it to mix it around like this. Beautiful and nice. That is excellent, honestly. That is fantastic and an amazing. All right, now what I want to do, I want to put the bay leaf back into it. All right, with some cucumber pieces and some ginger, as I'm going to be drinking this right now, and turmeric back into the liquid also. So we're going to be drinking this right now. Beautiful, lovely, and nice. And I will encourage you guys to give this a try at home. All right. So hope you guys will enjoy it. Please leave your comments. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And please enjoy the recipe as much as you guys can. All right. As you guys can see, that is fantastic and amazing. All right. Once again, thank you so much, guys, for watching my show. It is simple and also beautiful, as you guys can see, with all of that beautiful ingredients this evening. Thanks again, and I will be soon with more recipes and more ideas.